Laurel, bay leaf. Tea. 3 amazing benefits for your health. Welcome to Health and Fitness University. Did you know that those little green leaves you often see in soups and stews can also make a powerful healing tea? Today, we'll explore the surprising benefits of laurel tea, also known as bay leaf tea, a simple drink with big health advantages. Let's dive in. Section 1. Digestion. First, laurel tea is a friend to your digestive system. Bay leaves contain natural enzymes that help break down proteins and fats, making it easier for your body to process meals. If you've ever felt bloated, heavy, or had indigestion after eating, a warm cup of laurel tea can help soothe your stomach and reduce discomfort. Many cultures, especially in the Mediterranean, have used bay leaf infusions for centuries to promote healthy digestion. Section 2. Inflammation. Second, laurel tea has anti-inflammatory properties. The essential oils and compounds found in bay leaves, like eugenol, can help calm inflammation in the body. That means it may be useful for people dealing with joint pain, arthritis, or even everyday muscle soreness. While it's not a substitute for medical treatment, adding laurel tea to your routine may naturally support your body's fight against inflammation. Section 3. Blood sugar. The third big benefit is blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that compounds in bay leaves can improve insulin function and help regulate glucose levels. For people at risk of type 2 diabetes or anyone looking to keep their energy levels steady, drinking laurel tea in moderation can be a helpful habit. Of course, always check with your doctor if you have a medical condition before making big changes to your diet. How to make it. So, how do you make it? It's simple. Take 2 or 3 dried bay leaves, boil them in a cup and a half of water for about 10 minutes, then let it steep. Strain and enjoy warm. You can also add a slice of lemon or a bit of honey for taste. So, there you have it. Laurel tea, good for digestion, helpful against inflammation, and a natural support for blood sugar. Sometimes the best remedies are hiding in plain sight right in your kitchen. Would you try laurel tea? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves natural health tips.